Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on blending or crossfading songs on Spotify on PC. Doing this will mix the end of the current song with the beginning of the next song to create a smooth transition between songs. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the home page of the Spotify PC app, tap on your username in the top right. Choose Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the Playback section and turn on the toggle to the right of Crossfade songs. You can now use the slider to choose how many seconds you would like your crossfade to last. Turn on the toggle to the right of automix also. Your songs on Spotify will now fade seamlessly into the next. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Spotify tips and tricks.